Hi guys, this is gonna be a short unboxing video of the Laowa 2.5 to 5x Ultra Macro lens, which I just got today. I've been looking forward to getting my hands on this particular lens from Laowa. I've never owned the Laowa lens. The other one that I'm really interested in purchasing maybe in the very near future is the 50mm f4 ultra wide angle, which gives you a unique perspective because it's capable of including the background, so you can take amazing shots of your subject in context. One thing that I'm really interested in checking out is comparing it to my current setup at 2.5x in terms of image quality mainly, and also how much more difficult it's gonna be in terms of handling and the usage in the field. The current setup that I have on my ATD, which is an APS-C sensor from Canon, is the 100mm macro lens with image stabilization, which doesn't mean anything because I'm using it in manual with manual focus anyway. And currently I have the DCR 250 from Raynox attached to the front element, which gives me 2.5x magnification on top of the 1.6 crop factor, so it gets me really close to my subjects. This setup has been working really well for me. When photographing really tiny subjects, it essentially fills the entire frame. Let's start the unboxing video, shall we? Let's do this unboxing. I don't even need this box cutter. So, I have to push this through. Oh yeah, I got it in the end. So here's the box. Looks nice. Nice padding. Manual, guarantee card or warranty card, quality certificate, QC pass. Cool. And here is the lens itself. Comes in a little pouch. It's really tiny, but I think the build quality is gonna be amazing. It's rather heavy. Here is the lens itself. Looks nice. Open, close. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can. Nice. Wow, this is the front element. Look at that. It's the aperture control from f2.8. The aperture goes to f16. It doesn't have aperture coupling of any sort. Anyway, this is the lens. Looks amazing, I think. Can't wait to try it out. So my initial thoughts are that the build quality is excellent at first glance or first touch. It is pretty heavy considering how small this lens is, how much more compact it is, for example, than the 100mm macro from Canon. The zoom ring or magnification ring is actually quite difficult or hard to use. So from moving to 2.5x all the way out to 5x, you have to apply quite a bit of force onto the zoom ring for it to reach that length. But even then, I think it's still shorter than the MPE 65, which is the equivalent from Canon, but costs almost 3 times as much. So I'm really looking forward to using this lens. It's rather rainy outside at the moment, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to test it in the field. I'm looking forward to checking out the image quality, as I said before, and compare it to the 100mm L series macro lens from Canon with the DCR 250, which gives you essentially the exact same magnification ratio or rate at 2.5x. From what I've heard or all the research that I've done on other YouTube channels and reviews, I think I'm not gonna be disappointed. Anyway, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, please hit subscribe and the like button, and let's grow the channel, as it's been rather stagnant at around 120 subscribers. So let's do it. Thanks again. Bye.